Saturday, August 8th. I've already stepped on a landmine this morning. If you have dogs, you know what that is. So, as you can tell from the orange, I'm on my way to the training clinic today. So, got Abby and Luna with me. Find some birds and do a little shooting today. So maybe I'll see if I can have someone tag along with me and video one or both of the dogs in the field, so you guys can see a little bit more of what goes on. Anyway, so I got to get to the camper too. Holy crap, it's coming right up. Got like 4 weekends before we head for the North Maine Woods. So I got some die core that I got to put on the roof of the camper. So I'll probably get the ladder out later this afternoon and get die core up on the roof. And die core is used to seal all around all the crap on the roof of the trailer. And we had a leak up near the front of the trailer after we brought it up north last year. And so we've just been sitting under cover all winter, so I got to get to that. And that's probably what we'll do this afternoon. So I guess that's it. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. Here's Luna in the field. See, she's working back and forth, quartering. You'll see right here, she knows there's a bird there somewhere. Now she starts working it, coming in slow, figuring it out. She said, nope, not the right way. She comes back, grabs the scent again there, and she comes in, and then now she's on point. So Luna's still a young dog. She's going to creep here a little bit. We don't want that. She'll do it again here as I come near her. So I'm going to basically hold on to her. I'm trying to teach her to not chase the bird. Sorry about the camera work here. And Greg's going to flush this bird, and you'll see her reposition. He's going to throw it. There we go. Wasn't awake. So this is a tough situation here. The bird's kind of running away. She really wants to go get that bird. So here I'm taking and spinning her around a little bit, getting her to forget about where that bird was. And you'll see, she didn't really forget, so I had to call her around. So we'll go back towards where that bird ran off to. So it just ran to the kind of the next hedgerow. Enthusiastic about birds. So here she's kind of working it. We get down to this hedgerow and there's no breeze down there at all, so it's a little tough for her to pick it up. And that bird just got there and he's hiding in that tall grass, a windrow. And she comes around. So she kind of knows there's something there. She hasn't quite found it yet. Working it here, working it. She's gonna come around again here. We know where the bird is, sorta. She doesn't really yet. So we're gonna work back up the windrow a little bit. and then turn around and move into what little breeze there is and see if she can wind it. She didn't quite get it there either. So we work around, call her around. Work down the windrow again. Oh, there she goes. Now she's on point. See, she'll creep again here. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna flush this bird again. So this is the one that ran from us the first time. And this bird's not real healthy. Doesn't want to fly. Greg's gonna go pick it up and hand it to the bird handler. She really wants to go get it. So, Greg tells me to take her away, pick her up, and tell her to leave it. That's what we do. I'll walk her away from the bird. We've got one more bird planted, and Greg has just handed that bird to the bird handler, bird planter, and she knows he had it. She's a smart puppy. So we're gonna go work this this next planted bird that we have. I'm telling her to go around. She comes around. The breeze picked up a little bit here. As she picks it up there, you see her pause, her whole demeanor changed. And she's on point, holding a nice point. She's creeping a little bit. She's trying to figure it out. Figure it out. Okay. Creep again. Pick her up. Bring her back to where she first smelled that bird. I want her to learn that she should stop right there. She goes, she just repositioned. She did a great job in the field.
Good girl. Oh, there's another one right here.
Down at the puppy water, we're just trying to keep it fun and light and let the dog swim around. For the test, the dog just has to go off independently and swim twice.
Good girl, Luna.
We just keep it fun here and throw dummies, and whether they bring them back or not, it's not really the point. The point's just to know that the water's fun and to swim.
Good girl, Luna. This way. All the way. Come on. Good girl. All the way. All the way. All the way. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come. Fetch that up. Fetch that up. Hey, come. Right here, Luna.
Oh, you have the one in place.
Got him. I can't see.
Alright, about 10 minutes of 2 in the afternoon, on our way home. to the field at about 7:30 this morning. Dogs did great. Got some video shot of Luna doing some field work and some video of her in the water retrieving some dummies. So she did great today. She even had a good pheasant track today. Last time we went out, she didn't do so good in the pheasant, I didn't think, but today she was spot on. So really, really happy. And Abby did a great job on a couple of chucker in the field, and she's really progressing nice this year too. So really good. She's pointing, holding there, waiting, not creeping in. So really, really awesome. Both dogs. So I'm headed back to Thunder Hill Farm, and I think we're gonna see if we can work on the camper a little bit. So hopefully I'll get some video of that. I guess that's it for right now. Signing off. So this is the cover we bought last year from Classic Accessories. Got some damage. Tore. That was under the right front corner of the trailer. Some more damage up near the front, up near the battery. Noticed when I was taking it down, this mesh is supposed to let the thing breathe. That got ripped out on that little rain chute up there. I assume the other side like that. Yeah, so this is where the die core kind of was pretty thin and got separated. It's all cracked here. So I'm going to get some die core and see if I can't fix that up. So I don't know if you can see it with the shadow, but there's a crack right here, one here. So as the water would pool up here, it would flow down into the camper. So apparently you're supposed to inspect this and fix it up every 3 years or so. This is a used camper we bought. It's 2012. I bought it 2 years ago. So it's I got it when it was 6 years old. Yeah, it looks like someone may have put some on after the factory, but it's kind of haphazard. So and you can see they use it to seal up everything. So it's around the skylight back there in the bathroom, and the vent pipe down there, and even the light over there. So we'll get out some die cord and patch it up. Okay, so the trailer tech I talked to said apply this stuff liberally and get about four cans. So that's what I did.
Alright, this stuff's supposed to be self-leveling. So, I think I'll go look for some other cracks and see if there's anything else to fix. This is the vent over the refrigerator. I did some repairs up here last year. It's still looking okay. So, I just did around the antenna up there, and I think everything else looks pretty good. This is a solar panel I put on last year. Help keep the battery charged up. I don't know if my battery's gonna have survived or not. I'm gonna need to get up here and clean out these channels too. And maybe I'll blow them out with something. This die-core stuff goes on pretty easy. Definitely wear gloves. I didn't wear gloves and got all over my hands, makes a mess. So I think I'm gonna get some electrical run out here to the trailer so I can open the awning and open the slide and kind of test things out. So let's get going with that. Alright, let's see what works, what doesn't. It's looking a little precarious. I'm going to have to fix that before I do anything serious inside. Oop, move the ladder. That won't work out so good. That thing just holds water. Alright, let's get this slide out. Alright, looking good there. Refrigerator. Alright, let's kick in the AC. Looks like I gotta clean that vent out. Come back in a minute, see if that's getting cool. Ugh. Yeah, so this is looking okay. Wet. Doesn't look too moldy though. That's good. How's the top look there? Not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna have to get my battery connected up. Check around the windows, Take a look at the top of the slide. I have to get the water hooked up here at some point too. Test that all out. Alright, so I got done with the trailer, what I wanted to get done tonight. I'm going to hop in the tractor and run down back and maybe do a little bit more with the box scraper and pick up a trail cam that I put down there. We'll see what's interesting on that trail cam. Pick up that blade and bring it back up. Whoops. Wrong button. Whoa! Whoops. I was afraid that was going to happen. Alright. So I think what happened is I think I hit the button on the stick to turn off the hydraulics for the grapple. Alright, hopefully I didn't bend anything. I'll see you when we get back.
none the worse for the wear. Looks good. Tough old bird. Alright, so ends another day at Thunderhill Farm. Had a good day, got going early. Dogs did great today. Didn't get to do much in the tractor today, but I did get the roof repaired on the trailer. Which is what I wanted to get done today. Probably get at it early tomorrow. Maybe do a couple things on the honey-do list tomorrow, but I don't have to do those super early. So since I've been waking up super early, I think I'll go ahead and do some tractor stuff out back. See if this light's any better with this new camera. So I don't know if anybody noticed, but I did pick up a new camera. I got a DJI Osmo Action, so we'll see how it works. Check out the video, and please like, share, subscribe. Hopefully you like the dog work we did today. See how some of that video came out. I had someone shoot video for me when I had Luna out in the field, so we'll see how that works out. And hopefully you guys like the video. Alright. Have a good day. Time for an adult beverage, as always. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.